Starting seeds at home is an easy, cost-effective way to grow a garden full of healthy plants. In today's video, we're going over the top tips to help you get started and give your seeds the best chance to grow strong. Tip number 1. Always start with high-quality seeds. It all begins with choosing good seeds. Make sure they're fresh and suited to your growing zone. Check the packaging for details on when to plant and how to care for them. Tip number 2. Make sure to use the right containers. Choose seed starting trays or small pots with drainage holes. If you're reusing containers, clean them well to prevent any disease from harming your new seedlings. Tip number 3. Prepare the correct soil mix. Your seeds need a loose, well-draining soil mix. Regular garden soil can be too heavy, so use a seed starting mix that's light and airy, giving the roots room to grow. Tip number 4. Plant at the correct depth. Planting depth is key. Some seeds need to be barely covered, while others need to go deeper. Always check the seed packet instructions to get this right. Too deep, and they may not sprout. Tip number 5. Water gently. Once your seeds are in the soil, water them gently. You don't want to disturb the seeds, so use a spray bottle or a fine mist to keep the soil evenly moist. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to rot. Tip number 6. Provide warmth and light. Most seeds germinate best in warm conditions. If you're growing indoors, a seed heating mat can help maintain the ideal temperature. Once they sprout, move the seedlings to a sunny spot or use grow lights to ensure they get enough light. Tip number 7. Don't rush transplanting. It can be tempting to move your seedlings outside as soon as they look ready, but don't rush the process. Seedlings need time to adjust to outdoor conditions, so gradually expose them to the outside for a few hours each day before planting them out permanently. This process is called hardening off. Tip number 8. Label your trays. When you're starting multiple seeds, it's easy to lose track of which is which. Labeling your trays or containers will help you remember what's planted where, especially if they have different care needs. Tip number 9. Thin out your seedlings. As your seedlings grow, you might need to thin them out to give the strongest plants room to thrive. This means removing extra seedlings that are crowding each other so that the healthiest can grow bigger and stronger. Tip number 10. Be patient and enjoy the process. Gardening is all about patience. Seeds take time to grow, and every step you take helps them along the way. Enjoy the process and celebrate every little sprout. Starting seeds can be an exciting part of gardening, and with these top tips, you'll be on your way to a lush, thriving garden in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more gardening advice, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.